We were talking off air just before about what you were doing before you decided to make the shift into cyber, and it's a unique one. It's one I'd never heard. I thought I'd heard every industry and helped majority of industries get into cyber, but never before. Why don't you tell the listeners what you were doing and why you decided to change careers?
Yes, so for the last year, I've been a boat builder, building inflatable boats for surf lifesaving, with services all of the country. So every surf club will have a boat, hopefully built by me. Before that, I was working as a manager for swim school for the last 7 years, and I pretty much stood down from that role to start studying for cybersecurity. Just saved up a bit of money with my other job, and then for the last year, saved up enough and then started studying 3-4 months ago with Cyber Revolution. So it's been short, but still a long way to go. So landing this new job's been pretty good so early. So I'm pretty stoked with that.
Congrats, mate. Yeah, you deserve it. As I said, Angel couldn't speak highly enough of you. And so what was it? What was the main reason? A lot of the students, and this is why I love having people on the show, all walks of life, different industries, whether it be the construction space, whether it be, allied health, it can be anything. Everyone's got a bit of a different story. Was there a catalyst? Was there a moment for you within the career you're in for you to go, actually, this is not for me. I need to make a bit of a change?
Yeah, 100%. So I've always been interested in technology and IT, and I did a little bit of uni about 10 years ago and then dropped out because it was so far away. So I had that interest there, and then with my other job, I progressed so far that I was making, okay money, and I was kind of enjoying progressing through. And it hit very stale. And with my background in life-saving, I enjoy helping other people. Like, it's very fulfilling role, volunteer work. So combining, I guess, the IT side and helping others kind of put the focus on cybersecurity, because that's kind of what it boils down to, like helping protecting others' privacy and data. So I think it's a good mix, and I enjoy both of those sides. So why not bring them together into a career?